Good morning. We have a Home Depot delivery coming this morning. I thought it would have been there before I had to leave, but we are getting drywall delivered for the basement. We needed like 30 sheets or something like that. And then I tried to add some insulation to the order to get it delivered, but that didn't happen because no one was there to process the payment last night. So now I'm headed to Home Depot to get insulation. And I also have some other things to get while I'm there. And it snowed last night, so you can probably see the trees in the background. They are covered in snow, completely covered, which also means it was a snow day today. So Damien is home. And tomorrow is Friday, and it's PA day tomorrow, or like, I guess, I don't know what everybody calls it, but a day off for the teachers, basically. So anyways, Damien is home, and the boys are at the property, and Mom is home. I don't know if I mentioned, she did end up having her second surgery and got her gallbladder out, so she's been off all this week, and for the past 2 weeks, everybody's been sick in the household. Damien was off all last week with a cold. Monday, he was off with growing pains in his knees, and then from Tuesday to Friday, he was off with a cold, and he still even got like a bronchial cough, but it's just like the after effects of his sickness. So I am currently getting over my sickness still. Kyle is getting over it, and Matthew and Dad as well. I think they're pretty much over it completely, and then Mom also had a touch of it before she went in the hospital as well. So yeah, it's been a fun 2 weeks. Not really fun at all. And I will update you guys when we get home and show you what I've done at the property so far, or since our last video. Well, I just got a phone call from the Home Depot delivery guy, and his windshield wipers are not working, so he had to turn around and go back to the store, and I guess the store will let me know whether or not I can have the delivery done today. So I guess they either have to get a different truck, or they will send it on the same truck and fix the wipers or something, but I don't know. I guess we'll see if we're still getting Home Depot delivery, but it's kind of funny. I'm on my way there, and technically I could take the sheets, but it is 30 sheets, so it's quite a bit. So I'm not gonna do that. I don't even know how much weight that would be. I could calculate it and see how much weight that would be, and then I don't know, but we'll see. Okay, my first stop. I don't always come here because half the time I'm here on a Sunday, and this store is not open on Sundays, and that is Habitat for Humanity. And I've gotten a ton of stuff from Habitat for Humanity Restore in the past for the house and stuff, so I always like to kind of do like just a check, just quick walk around to see if there's anything worth grabbing, light fixtures or like sink fixtures or stuff like that. So I'll just run in there quickly, see if I can see anything, and if not, I come back out. Okay, I did see some tile that I could use that was very similar to the tile I showed you for the kitchen. However, they only had 12 of them, and I don't think it would be near enough. And I'm pretty sure Home Depot has that tile still, but taking the chances, you can't return it at the restores. So, and it's not exactly what I wanted, so I passed on it for now, and now I'm going to head to PetSmart. I have a few things to get there, and then Home Depot. PetSmart, here we come. I gotta get some filters for the cat's water fountain. Okay, PetSmart is done, and oh, and a little puppy. These are the filters that we get for the water fountain that we have. So I got 2 of those, one for mom, one for me. And then I got the most expensive stuff in the world, Advantage for the animals. So Diesel, Harley, and Holly. And this stuff is so expensive. It's crazy, but it's worth not having fleas. So anyways, that bill came to over $300, which I hate spending, but okay. Now, I don't think I need anything at Walmart back there while I'm here. Trying to think. Oh, I was gonna print off pictures. I don't have to do that today. So we were gonna do a like time capsule to put where the main bath is, where we have like the little cubby, and then underneath is like an open space, but I can access it from the crawl space afterwards and put something in there. So I'll probably do that another day because I don't really feel like doing it today. So I'm going to, I guess, head to Home Depot and get the insulation I need. And then that'll be it. I'll be, I guess, on my way home. Here at Home Depot, I has to go pee. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll get my insulation. And I forgot, I have to go to Costco. So I just gotta grab Advil and get gas. Okay, just finished Costco. Got the Advil, and I did gas already. And grabbed a piece of pizza, because all I had was iced coffee. Actually, I'm gonna take this off. All I had was iced coffee this morning, so. And it was a brand new pizza. Look how cheesy. I forgot to get napkins. And I'm almost out because I've been blowing my nose with my napkins that I've had in the truck. And I have baby wipes, but they're frozen. Just finished my pizza. It was delicious. I haven't had pizza in a long time, actually. So I think I'm done here. I'm gonna head home and get this insulation out of the back of the truck. And hopefully it stays there. The stuff is so light that it just will flop everywhere, but okay, let's head home. Take these in and get changed, I guess, and then I will head to the property. Alright, I'm all changed and on my way to the property, and all of a sudden I am feeling super tired. What is that noise? It must be the ice in between my truck and the bed. But, oh my goodness, noises. Anyways, I was up from like 3 till like 6 this morning. I couldn't sleep. And then I finally got back to sleep. And everybody was up, so. What is that noise? That is annoying. Anyways, I am here. I forgot to take these out after I talked to you, but I am changed. Got a drink, and actually I'm going to put some chapstick on. My lips are super dry. And let's go head in there. Aha! That's probably the culprit right there. And that is the insulation that we got, or I got. And it has to go up there where we're missing pieces. Sure is beautiful. Hello, my Dito. Hello, my little munker. That been your little project for today? Cute. He just picked up this piece and and it doesn't fit. Anyways, so this is where I was talking about a time capsule thingy.
Oh, it doesn't fit. But in here, there's a hole from down there. Just like one of these. There's one of these in there. There's one of those. Just like that.
Now in this room, are they coming today or what? No? I'm gonna finish this room and I'll go do it then.
Yes.
Ugh. Did I break the camera? Ugh.
Oh God, it's look at it. It's going so weird.
Oh, it's hideous.
Look at it. It's like cracking.
Oh.
Way to go. Here, take this, please.
So yesterday, first thing, I put in lights, and you can't really see them, only when I turn them on and off. They flick through until it finds the one that I chose, but so there are lights up in the coffered ceiling now, and I primed this hallway. I primed this wall with 2 coats, and I primed the office. Okay, got the hair up, and I am going to go over the foyer, make sure that there's no spots that need touching up, which usually there is, like light switches, spots, and sometimes there'll be like a little dent or something in the compound, so I just go over it quickly and then I'll touch it up with sheetrock if I have to. Like here, you can see the hole is a little too big for the outlet cover, so that has to be touched up and sanded before I can prime, and then I just kind of make sure going over everything until it has no imperfections. So this is an example of an imperfection, and it's just like a little indent. So I take like a sanding block and I will sand that out. So it's been a little bit, and I used some spackling mud to touch up some holes there. And I did touch up some spots. You can see, it's really hard to see, but there. So it's all flat. And I sanded that, and I was just waiting for this to dry. I don't think that's quite dry yet there. And then also there. So I have to wait for it to dry so I can sand it. Matthew just got nailed. Oh my God, it rained nails. Oh, look at this. Look. Let's pick up the bag with the 50,000 other nails. Oh my goodness. Holy. You had to have them on the top freaking rung?
Is that where you had to hold up on the ladder?
Yeah.
It was because I was going to go back up on the ladder, but I picked it.
Here, Matthew. Here, I got a big handful. You thought you had a lot of nails in the corner, Reed. Now you have a lot of nails everywhere. Well, I think that's it, so I'll move this. Oh my God. Little nook looks good though. Okay, well, everything didn't dry in time, so I didn't end up painting, and I got tired. 5:30, ready to go home.